Okay guys, so I finally got the table all finished. It's kind of drying now, and I really think I'm going to take off the lock that's on the drawers because it's making it impossible to open up those drawers. Just kind of worn out. It's a cool lock. I'll save the things, but anyway. So underneath you can see that big black section. I look a hot mess because I'm so tired. Okay. It's like 9 o'clock. So this whole black section is what I recreated. So I'll just show you how it works. These little metal parts actually were already on here. I had thought up a whole different system in my mind for making it lift up and down. But then I realized that these were actually still here. So that's awesome. I think this is a bar that's supposed to go across just for stability and support. So we'll see how these hold up on their own. And if I need to get a bar, I'll probably just get a piece of wood and put it across. So what you do is you lift it up. And then this would have been pretty similar to what the desk would have looked like. So then you have this that comes out. I made this tonight. I created this tonight. And then that way you can have your laptop in here. And what Hayden wants to do is he wants to put his laptop here, and he likes to kind of leave it there. So then he could leave it there and hook it up to the monitor if he wanted to. The only part is I'm not sure exactly how he's going to hook that up to the monitor. And this top part here makes it so nothing moves and his computer won't fall out. But there is a small hole right here on the back, so it actually would be pretty neat. He could probably just pull the wire up and have his monitor here. So that's the whole thing. I took the top off, the veneer off the top. I thought it would be kind of ratty, and it was. There's a lot of watermarks. But then I just sanded out the watermarks, and you can really see the grain of the wood. And what I did was I put polyacrylic on, a matte polyacrylic, and then what I would do is sand between the layers, and so you can still feel that wood grain, but it's not very rough. It's not going to catch on anything. And then I just did several layers of polyacrylic. So that's the desk. I love it, you guys. It even has this little thing that pulls out right here. How cute is that? Like I said, this top part locks it and unlocks, but right now it's just keeping it locked. So this right here is actually what makes it lock, and the other two drawers have the same one except for a hook on it, and there's just a wooden bar that goes down, and this shoves it down. So but it's made it impossible to get that drawer out, so I think I'm gonna take these off. Even though it's really neat, I just can't. I don't think so. So that's that.